Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, the 12th of November. You know what that means. Tomorrow is the day for Storm Alert Extreme, our annual storm training event, and we hope to see you down there. We'll be at the BJCC. Doors open at 8. The training begins at 9, and we run to 2. Promise you get out of there right on time at 2 o'clock. You go to the car show free if you'd like to. We'll be across the street from the Sheraton. Look for the signs down there. And you might want to get there early to get a good seat. We have a sneaking suspicion might have a record crowd this year. So we'll see you there tomorrow at Storm Alert Extreme. That'll be a lot of fun. Let's check the Skycam shots early this morning. Familiar scene there, clear and cool. That's the Fayette County Courthouse up in northwest Alabama. In Shelby County, that's the Skycam on the campus of the University of Montevallo. And from Birmingham, that's looking south from the Daniel Building. Got a big trough out west moving in this direction that will ultimately bring some pretty good rain, we think, to the state. And again, the big rain day seems to be Monday, although a shower might break out Sunday. Temperatures this morning as cold as 36 degrees in Gadsden. And again, Birmingham running warm, 46 coming from the airport. That's the warmest spot. And again, we're going to watch that. I have a funny feeling there might be some quality control issues at that observation site there. Haleyville 37, 43 for Anniston, the Shelby County Airport, and Alexander City. And again, around the nation, there's the cold air flooding in behind the trough out west, a tongue of warm air coming up ahead of the front through Texas, and cold air over the northeast. QPF chart rain for the next 5 days. That's the most rain we have seen on that map in a while for us. That is suggesting rainfall amounts of really 1.5 to 2 inches across much of the state. Some spots with over 2 inches over northwest Alabama. Not so sure we see that much, but the 1 to 2 inch thing we can certainly buy. And again, Monday and Monday night would be the target for that. And despite this incoming trough, the weather is relatively quiet. We have no severe weather problems. We have just one little pocket of winter storm watches up north, and really that's about it. And for mid-November, that is amazing. We'll check the OZGFS, valid at 1 o'clock today. This is at 500 millibars. And you can see the trough action off to the west. Down below that, showers and storms are likely from near Childress, Texas. Way up north, some snow will likely develop in the colder air over parts of Minnesota and Wisconsin. And we stay dry. Beautiful weather again today. I mean, kind of running out of words to describe this nice weather. We should be up in the 70s again today. Both the NAM and the GFS are at 76. Tomorrow, same thing. We look good. We'll call it partly sunny, maybe some high clouds coming in. Highs in the low 70s. Showers for Memphis, Little Rock, and Shreveport. We'll go to tomorrow night. This is just after midnight. This is 1 a.m. And you can see the front is kind of coming to a halt just northwest of the state. So odds are we'll be okay for the Alabama-Mississippi State football game in Tuscaloosa. We might mention still a slight chance of a shower, but it looks like any showers would hold off until after that. And then on Sunday, again, this run suggests that any showers should be confined to the northwest corner of the state, and most of Alabama would be dry. And it could work out that way. All along, we've maintained just the chance of a few isolated showers late Saturday night or Sunday. But Monday, look at the trough phasing up and moving this way, progressive. And look at that rain breaking out over the entire state. And again, most guidance suggesting 1 to 2 inches of rain, and we'll sure take that. And the surface low south of us, so severe weather should not be a problem. And probably not much thunder. The air should be relatively stable. We probably will be in the 50s all day, just a cool, wet day. And then on Tuesday, the rain is gone. The rain should be ending early in the day, maybe 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, and then it's a setup for clearing by afternoon. And it should be a little cooler. And then Wednesday of next week should be a sunny day. Thursday, some cooler air dropping in here with that surface high. In fact, the latest guidance has the high dropping to 58 on Thursday. Could be a pretty cool day. And then Friday, that surface high is nearby, and that could be a morning where we should be pretty close to freezing there. And then just to look, well, this is the following day, Saturday the 20th. This is the Saturday before Thanksgiving. And again, that looks dry with showers developing off to the west. All right, let's jump out there to the 23rd. Look at the cold air setting up over Canada. Wow. Fast flow down below that, and a surface cold front moves through here on November 23rd. And then a couple of days later, Thanksgiving Day, the 25th, just to look. Again, a very cold air mass over Canada, a fast flow down below that. And again, you can see how with that zonal flow, the really cold air is just north of here, but it is very cold up north. That's a 1,040 millibar high, and easily the coldest air of the season, and that just might try and creep in here, and that's the big question mark. The weight of that cold air alone should enable it to at least try to creep in here. And sure enough, a couple of days later on the 27th, the surface high is even stronger. That's a 1,048 millibar high. And it might be very shallow, but it might be pretty cold out there. So we'll see. But based on the intensity of that cold air mass, I wouldn't be shocked if a little bit, at least just a little sliver, tried to creep in here late this month. But we'll see. There's still more questions than answers at this point. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.